So I'm gonna rename this temporary as fire 1 emitter. Oops. I will most likely change it later on. So now I'm just gonna bring Adopt Network and again temporary call it fire 1 sim. Okay, so I'm gonna leave everything by default at the object level, and now I'm gonna go in there and I'm gonna bring first a smoke object, then pyro solver, as we said, full dynamic. Now here I'm gonna bring source volume, so I'm already going to plug these in. So here I'm going to switch it straight to source fluid, not fluid, sorry, fuel. Okay, so it sets everything up properly for me as I need it. And now I'm gonna bring in here from my emitter outsource fuel 1. Okay, and relative path, because it's going to be in an OTL. I always want to work with relative paths inside tools. Okay, so scale source volume, I'm going to multiply it by 1.3, then temperature 1.1, and I'm going to lower the scale velocity 2.7. So now I'm just gonna copy paste straight this one to grab my second emitter there, and I'm just gonna add a merge and bring those two in here. Okay. So on my smoke object, I'm going to reduce the size. I'm gonna go pretty low. I'm not gonna up-res this one, so I'm gonna do it 0.03. And scale, I'm gonna go for 4. I'm gonna move this one a bit up. Yeah, that should be okay. So I'm gonna turn off here the visualization density. I'm gonna go to the heat. Okay. Then here I'm going to go here and put heat as well inside my multiplier. Okay. I'm gonna go now to temperature, turn on use smoke, and to heat I'm going to use smoke density, put it at 3. I'm not using any initial data. Okay, now I'm gonna go to my resize node. So padding 0.25. Substrate threshold, I'm going to do it at 0.1. Here we're not going to use the density, we're going to use the heat and burn. Tracking is off, so that's fine. And I'm going to leave everything else like this for now. Finally, on our power solver, so we're going to put a time scale at 0.56. Temperature diffusion, we're going to lower it at 0.1. Cool rating a little bit higher, 0.8. Then combustion, that's going to be on. We're going to change ignite temperature to 0.15. Burn rate, we're going to keep the same. We're going to make higher the fill efficiency. Okay, 2.2. Temperature output, we're going to make it a little bit higher. We're going to double it. Gas release, we're going to lower it to 10. Flame height, 3.5. Smoke, we're going to turn off emit smoke, and I'm gonna leave this as it is. So shape, so dissipation I'll leave it on. I'm gonna turn on this disturbance and lower it to 0.4. Shredding 0.4 as well. Then turbulence, make it higher, bring it up to 1. And confinement, we're going to put it at 4. So the cutoff, I'm going to make it a little bit smaller, put it at 0.1, okay? And block size around 2.4, 2.5, okay? Yeah, I'm going to leave it like this. Now, shredding, I'm going to just lower the stretch to 0.25. Turbulences, lower the swirl size to 0.23. Pulse length 0.25. This will be the same. And I'm gonna leave all this as it is. So that should be okay. So I'm gonna just run that sim just to see how it looks like with those settings. So there's one thing I'm going to change because I just noticed with my resize box it's clamping it. Okay, so I'm going to change turn off the max bound. Okay, but other than that, I'm going to leave it like this for now. I'm actually quite happy with it. It's for first layer, it's gonna be most likely good enough, okay? And again, we can always change it later on, and we're going to have like those two others fire elements as well with some different looks to combine with. So let's play that back. It's still cooking. Okay, it's a little bit slow because I'm running out of memory right now. But okay, let's just stop this. And I'm just gonna make a flip book. Gonna make it easier to play back. So I'm gonna keep it like this for now, okay? Yeah, I'm gonna keep this one like this. That's gonna be okay for now. The next step we're going to do, we're going to create an OTL to advect particles inside there. So in that case, it's gonna be used like embers, okay? But we could use it for like smaller bits elements in like the shockwave or the dust layers we're going to sim, okay? So that's why we're going to make it an OTL out of it, just to prevent us to have to do it over and over and over again.